Are you a fresher and trying to make a good CV? Do you want to know what all important points to add in it? How to make sure your CV looks very professional? If you follow all the steps explained in this video, your CV will be selected 100% for the first round of interview. Hello my lovely juniors, this is Ashok and welcome to ICANN Technologies, the voice of every engineer, and I won't let my juniors down. The only motivation behind my all videos is that my juniors should never face the same problems that we have faced in our life. I wish all my juniors to get jobs as soon as possible immediately after your graduation and lead a happy life. The first step is to find a good CV format. If you ask me where to find it, then my answer is canva.com, because this website has thousands of templates which can give your CV a professional look. Just go to canva.com and choose the one you like. Once you found a good format, then first you have to add is your professional photo. Are you kidding me? Why any recruiter wants to see my photo instead of my technical skills? Here is the answer for it. When recruiter sees your pic on your CV, it allows employer to think of you as a person rather than just a application. It makes employer to remember you in their mind, and there are pretty chances for taking you in consideration. The photos you must not consider. First one, selfies, close-up face, messy hairstyles, too much makeup, candid photos and wired expressions. The photos you must consider. Use a high quality photo, close-up face with shoulders up and visible, front facing, light background, and always make a approachable smile. Third, contact information. You can just add following contact information in your CV. First one is phone number, second one is your email ID, third one is the location. If your CV is shortlisted, then it will be easy for the recruiter to contact you via call or email. And location is the purpose why we are adding, because if you are selected, then if you are near to the office, they will call you for the offline interview, and if they think that if you are away from the office, then they will arrange an online interview. So location is very important. The fourth one is educational background. Here mention your school, college, university name with the following details. First you have to add school or college name. The second is the grade in percentage, or it may be in CGPA. Third one is the location of the school or college. So this much is very enough. This gives a clear information about your education and academic performance, since employer makes a first filter with your school and college results, so it is very important to add in your CV. The fifth one is career objective. Before writing your career objective, please take care of below points. You can refer others but never copy it. Try to write it on your own words and make sure it must be short and sweet as below. Just mention what's your career plan, how you want to see yourself in the future. If you write it well, it will definitely impress the recruiter. Sixth one, you must add your professional or technical skills. For this, I will suggest you to call your seniors or friends who are working in the same industry, company or the domain you want to work for, and just call them and collect all the information from them. That is, what are the main topics in that domain, what are the trending software or hardware skills in that job, where I can get information about those technical terms. Make sure whatever you enter in the CV, you must know the basic idea of what it is. And no need to worry much, there are so many websites and videos available for free to learn. If these details match the requirement, then you will be the first one to get call from the HR. So here very important that wherever you are applying the job, wherever you want to work, please take all the information about that company and the software and hardware skills what they want it, and the same thing you have to mention, and just read little information about that, and that is enough. It will definitely impress the technical team and both the HR team. The seventh topic is industrial trainings, internships or seminars. Here just mention about your seminar on your final year project, or if you have attended any internships in industries or companies during or after college days. It will be considered as an experience, and believe me, you have more chances of getting offer letter as early as possible, because nowadays every company wants a trained engineer rather than a engineer who is directly coming without any training. So it is very important. The eighth point is awards and achievements. This point in your CV makes a best impression because it shows your capability in extracurricular activities, which is important quality to lead a project or a team. So you can add the sum of these points. Some achievements in academic results, achievement in cultural activities, awards in sports, if you have got any awards in science exhibitions, and if you are making any social work out there, please do mention it. It is the best thing the HR should know and the technical team should know, and they will hire you for your leadership qualities. The last point is renaming your CV. This is very important because I have seen so many CVs without proper naming to it. They are like Sonu, Sony, Raja. What is this? It looks very odd to HR. I am telling you, HR will never open your CV. My friends, this is the professional resume and it should not look like TV or company name or pet name. So here is how you have to rename it. First, you can add your name and then .cv and then put your branch name or domain name. For example, I am an instrumentation engineer and my name is Ashok. So I am putting Ashok R.cv instrumentation engineer. See, it is very important to put the CV name like this because it will directly, the HR will directly get to know who are you, what is your exact name and for what you are applying for. If I am mentioning as instrumentation engineer, it is clear for them that for them this only it will apply. So you can see here the first point is to add a photo. Don't add a photo like this, add one professional photo as I told you before. And below I just mentioned my name and a brief information about my job. Okay, that is I am an instrumentation engineer. I have the basic knowledge of the principles of instrumentation, PLC and DCS software and application. So it tells about my brief information. Okay, and then I have added educational background. If you see this, I will zoom it. Okay, educational background. Here I have studied my school name I have mentioned and with the results. So that is very enough. And also same like in PUC, it is the plus 12, that one also mentioned just my college name and with the results, and this is my engineering degree college and then with the results. And here I have mentioned my awards and achievements. So I am the topper of the 10th board exam and I won first prize in the chess competition at the taluka level. So these are my some achievements and awards. And if we go here, so in the top I added contact information. See, it is very simple. It should be like this only. Your phone number, email ID and then your location. So that is very enough. And career objective, as I told, it should be on your own, don't copy. So this is my career objective which I have written on my own. So as per your objective, whatever it is there, you can add it. And then comes the professional skills. Here left side if you see, I have added little brief information, but here I have added in depth as a fresher what I can tell. It is like industrial instrumentation knowledge and automation knowledge. I will zoom it. Okay, the first one is the industrial instrumentation knowledge and second one is the automation knowledge and third one is the Microsoft knowledge. I have added some basic concepts of instrumentation engineering like this. For whatever branch you may be, it may be like you are studying in MBA or civil engineering, mechanical engineering, doesn't matter. Whatever the field you are working, just go through your seniors and get some website information and add all the information like this. Okay, so I have added Microsoft knowledge, MS Excel, Word, PowerPoint, because that is the one which is very required in our branch to make so many documents. So that one also I mentioned. So above one, in instrumentation knowledge, industrial instrumentation knowledge, I have mentioned about some of the hardware things, what exactly instruments we are using, that and all. But in automation knowledge, I have expressed my this one PLC softwares, what all softwares are there, that also I have mentioned. I am just telling you, for example, only one example I will give in it. So in the first one I have added, I have basic knowledge of following on engineering units, P&ID and logic gates. Just go to google.com, you search what is engineering unit, it will get. What is P&ID, you will get the answer. What is logic gate, you will get the answer. Just get to know about the definition and watch some other video, so you will get the clear information. So if you do like this, means you can crack any interview. Okay, and then downside I have added industrial training, internship and seminars. I will just zoom it. Here I have added, I have completed 3 months training in ICANN technologies on instrumentation and PLC program on Honeywell, Siemens and Delta PLC in Hyderabad. So like you can add whatever you want. I have done 6-month internship in ICANN Technologies, Bangalore, and I have given my seminar on the world without automation in an international competition. So like this you can add. So one quick review, if you see this, so whenever CV HR is seeing your CV, then for them, if you make like this, it will be very easy to understand what you are and like what exactly you are doing. So always make resume in a short format and sweet format, and but it should have all the information of what they wanted. Okay, I think I have given information to everything, and this link also downloading this PDF I will be giving, so you can download it also. Otherwise you can send. I am keeping my mail ID here. If you want, anybody want this format, you can just mail me. But I wish you should make your CV on your own, and then only will you have the first step of confidence. Okay, so in the next video I will come up with the new job idea or some new topic. So till then, see you, bye bye.